Enjoy the tour. Please call me for more info, or if you would like a personal tour, call 941-538-7414. Please view the 360 Matterport Dollhouse floor plan walk thru tour in drone video. Elevated home with 3 levels of living. New high-tech spa pool with white Turkish marble stone surrounds the pool area. 1 block to the beach. Kitchen is a chef's dream, fully equipped with wine refrigerator, bar sink, coffee bar and lots of cabinets and enough granite counter space to entertain a crowd. Custom cabinets with pull-out drawers. And large pantry, so there is plenty of space for all your kitchen gadgets. The owner's suite is suitable for royalty, with rain shower, mood lighting and multiple shower heads. Double sinks, his and her vanity storage cabinets, and a huge full custom walk-in closet. The large owner's suite also has its own private deck overlooking the reserve, very quiet and peaceful. There are 2 laundry areas, one conveniently located at the pool and the other just adjacent to the master suite and guest rooms. 2 other bedrooms have their own private deck as well that has a peek of the Gulf of Mexico water. Enter your estate through your privacy gated fenced area that leads to your side entry oversized 2-car garage. Plenty of room for an RV, boat or any of your toys. As an added bonus, there is lots of parking in front and on the side for all your guests. High impact hurricane rated windows and doors, new deck and stairs to pool area. Fresh painted exterior. Other features include some new furniture, 3-zoned HVAC. Lower bar entertainment area, new landscaping. Come see, you will not be disappointed. Walk to the Grassy Point Reserve, or beach that is only a block away. Transferable termite warning.